Narcissistic trait number 10. Okay, so a narcissist will never be able to or never would admit their mistake or wrongdoing. They would never ever apologize. And this is for sure, this is 100%. Okay, now even if a narcissist does apologize, they would do it only for two reasons. Again, eventually for the bigger picture, it is only feeding their needs or their ego. Okay, so in the first case where they probably would be apologizing is when, you know, it's a when they can actually use it as a bargain in future, proving to you that it is because you forced them to make that mistake, because this eventually feeds their ego, because the blame is now on you. Okay, so in this case they may apologize. So if they do apologize, just remember they are doing it for their own benefit, which might come later into the scene. ये उनके benefit की बात है, और again the blame will shift on you. The second case when they may apologize for their mistake or wrongdoing is probably when you have done everything in your power, when you have done literally everything in your power to prove to them that it was their mistake, and then you get them to apologize. Now, even if they do in this case as well, you know that towards the end of it, it is only going to be thrown back at you. How? So, they are doing this to, when you are actually sucked out of complete energy, you are drained and you are almost giving up on them, they will throw another bone at you and they will use apology for that, so that you build yourself up again and they would enjoy breaking you down once again. So a hardcore narcissist would never ever in their life apologize. So whenever you are getting an apology from your narcissist, beware of this. Love yourself. Your world begins with you.